If you're looking for a cost-effective way to pursue a master's degree in Australia, the Graduate Diploma in Agribusiness is your answer. This specialized postgraduate program equips you with in-depth knowledge and skills in the field of agribusiness. You can combine it with various master's programs at top universities like the University of New England, the University of Adelaide, and Torrance University. It's a package deal that not only saves you money but also simplifies the visa process. As a graduate, you're eligible for post-study work rights in Australia, and you'll gain both vocational and university skill sets. This program is ideal for those with degrees in fields like commerce, business, project management, environment, food sciences, or agriculture. Most courses are held in Adelaide with some options in Armidale. Entry requirements include an IELTS score of 6 overall and a completed bachelor's degree, preferably a 4-year program if you're from Nepal. If you're ready to explore the Graduate Diploma in Agribusiness in South Australia, contact us today.